we were talking all morning long about the idea that this all came really from a college thesis, this revolution that he brought to investing.
It's amazing. You know, I've often wished I could have written a thesis like that when I was at Princeton. But you know, he was a remarkable person.
Yeah, talk about what people should remember, those who knew of him and those who were just learning about him today.
I think the one thing is he kept working so long on this mission that he believed in so deeply. You know, to still be working and showing up to conferences in his mid to late 80s, that commitment and passion is something I think we can all strive for.
You know, the revolution, John, of index investing morphed into something that Bogle wasn't necessarily always a fan of, which is ETF investing and sort of the short-term nature of trading ETFs and lack of corporate governance in ETFs. Do you have a good feel for how he viewed his legacy?
I think he was quite proud of his legacy. You know, I've had a chance, to spend quality time with him and to see him at the Morningstar conference and to see him talk about his deep beliefs. So I know he knows he left a mark on America. I was at the Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting a while back when Warren Buffett honored him. And to see that kind of recognition from the world's greatest investor, I think Jack knew what a difference he'd made for all of us.
We've been talking about the lessons that he tried to impart on investors. One of them was just very simple. Save your money, don't chase performance, and then sort of lessons about allocation regarding fixed income versus equities. I mean, they've almost become like Newton's laws to some degree in investing.
Exactly. And, he stays on message. And he built these deep relationships with people who cared about the same issues, people like Don Phillips and Joe Mansueto and people like that who had built Morningstar and have taken his message and delivered it to financial advisors throughout America and throughout the world. And, there's just no one like Jack. He was so strong and independent and, didn't feel the need to please everyone else, which I think is also an important value and skill.
When you think, John, about the market structure and just how different it is today versus when, Jack started out in the in the 70s, I think. First investment trust was 1975. Just how different is it and how much of an impact did Jack make?
Well, he's transformed the investment world. As you know, passive investing has taken hold, and so many people believe in it, and so many believers like Warren Buffett who pushed Jack's mission and message. So it is really just transformed the investment world for individual investors and given them a fair shake and low cost and an ability to do well for their families.